Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So again, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Cash App Please tracking letter. When you try to open Cash App and it's not working, it's showing the error like this. I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page. And first of all, you have to open setting and turn on airplane mode. Then turn it off. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi and turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again. And if you're using mobile data, then what you need to do is just simply you have to turn your mobile into Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, turn into mobile data, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open shower. From here, you have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Then go back from here and then just simply you have to go to VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected with VPN. If you're connected with it, just simply disconnect it. And after that, you have to tap on reset. From here, you have to reset the network setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open setting. From here, tap on general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have offloaded the Cash App. Tap on that, just simply offload the Cash App and then reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, guys, open setting, scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and also make sure that you are using latest version of the Cash App. And after that, open settings, scroll it on, tap on channel. From here, guys, you have to scroll it on, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. From here, you have to reset the all setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to delete the app and then restart your device and just simply install the app. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed too. And if also is there, guys, then it means it is some glitch from the Cash App. Then you have to wait some hours, and after that, your problem automatically will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.